In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF file in Gmail. Sending documents through email is a basic yet crucial skill, especially when you need to share important files quickly and efficiently. Whether you're sending a report to a colleague, sharing a draft with a friend, or forwarding a presentation to a client, knowing how to attach and send a PDF file is essential. Let's walk through this process together and explore some helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials and log in. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Gmail inbox. Look for the Compose button, usually located towards the upper left corner of the screen, and click on it. This action will open a new email window, typically on the lower right side of your Gmail interface. In this new email draft, start by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. Make sure to double-check the address to prevent sending your email to the wrong person. After that, fill in the subject field with a relevant subject line. This gives the recipient a clear idea of what your email concerning the attached PDF is about. Now it's time to attach your PDF file. To do this, look for the paperclip icon located at the bottom of the Compose window. Click on this icon and a File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location of the PDF you wish to send, select it, and click Open. You'll notice the PDF file attached beneath the subject line once it has been successfully uploaded. While your PDF uploads, you might want to add a message in the body of the email providing context or specific instructions regarding the attached document. It's always a good idea to personalize your email and make the communication clear and direct. Before hitting the Send button, double-check that you've attached the correct file, especially if you have multiple PDFs or similar file names. It's also wise to reread your email to confirm that your message is clear and appropriate. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, click Send to send your email. If there's a delay in uploading, be patient and ensure that your internet connection is stable. And there you have it. A simple guide to sending a PDF file via Gmail. Having gone through these steps, you should be more confident in sharing documents quickly and efficiently through email. This technique is not only useful for PDFs, but can also be applied to other file types you might need to send. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.